To use Afterpay at eligible retailers, follow these steps. First, find out if your favorite retailer offers Afterpay as a payment option. You can do this by visiting the retailer's website or checking in store. Many popular retailers offer Afterpay, including fashion, beauty, and homeware stores. Once you have confirmed that the retailer offers Afterpay, browse their website or store and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. When you are ready to check out, select Afterpay as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the Afterpay website to create an account or log into your existing account. If you are new to Afterpay, you will need to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, and payment details. You will also need to confirm your identity and agree to the terms and conditions. If you already have an Afterpay account, simply log in and follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Afterpay will then split your purchase into 4 equal payments, due every 2 weeks. You will receive reminders before each payment is due, and you can also track your payments and account balance through the Afterpay website or app. To avoid late fees, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover each payment. You can also make payments early if you want to pay off your purchase sooner. Afterpay is available for both online and in-store purchases, making it a convenient and flexible payment option. When using Afterpay, it is essential to read and understand the terms and conditions, including any fees and charges that may apply. Afterpay charges a late fee if you miss a payment, so make sure you only spend what you can afford to pay back. By following these steps and using Afterpay responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of shopping now and paying later at your favorite retailers. Remember to always check the eligibility of the retailer and the terms and conditions of Afterpay before making a purchase.